So welcome back to Electric Vehicle channel, my dear friends. I'm Krishna Mandela. Today we are at Hyderabad and an electric vehicle expo is going on. So Mr. Rajesh, could you please explain about this electric auto?
So welcome to Ito Motors stall at EV Expo. So here we are presenting three products of Ito Motors today. One is Trilux, which is the passenger vehicle. It is also luxury on three wheels. Why do we call luxury on three wheels? Because for the first time in a three-wheeler, we have designed the entire vehicle with driver as the center of the universe. If you look at the driver's seat, right, it is for the first time we have given a bucket seat with lumbar and neck support, which can also be adjusted as per the height of the driver. And not just that, he is also provided with seat belts to ensure that the driver's safety is of a prime concern. And it is the same thing that is also provided to the passengers also. The passengers have a very, very comfortable seat along with the seat belts. So we are giving the premium car-like features in a three-wheeler for the first time in India.
Sorry to interrupt, may I have one question?
Yes, please.
It's a premium electric auto you meant to say.
Yes,
but
yes.
Is it suitable for Indian road? Because we, Indian passengers...
Correct.
Because premium means it will comes with a premium rate.
Correct.
The fare will increase, right?
Correct. So that's a good question, Krishna. But let me tell you, see, it is like this, right? India 30 years ago is different from India what it is now. 30 years ago, you sit in an auto, you suffer back pain, you suffer you suffer from the noise, pollution, etc. Nobody cares. But then the population and then the youth in India at this point of time are preferring more comfort and luxury. Now, if you ask me the question, is it only luxurious in terms of the looks, but also in terms of performance? Let me tell you, look at the tires there. The regular three-wheeler tires are generally small 9-inch tires, right? But here we have given a 13-inch tires which are of a four-wheeler. And also the the brake system, right? The regular vehicles have a normal brake system, but then we are talking about a disc brake system in the front.
What is the range of this electric auto?
The range of this vehicle at a full charge, it runs around 100 to 120 kilometers.
120.
The certified range is 130 kilometers.
Okay. And what about does it support fast charging or a normal 3-pin plug?
Yes, it supports both. Basically, it can be charged through a normal 3-pin plug as well as an industrial connect, right? So, if at all, and this is the new product that we are talking about, which is Thunderbox. Now, if you connect this particular vehicle to this Thunderbox, the whole vehicle can be charged in less than 3.5 to 4 hours.
Okay. So, what is the load capacity you are looking for?
So, the vehicle can easily carry 3 passengers plus a driver as per the norms of the government. And then the cargo vehicle can carry up to 550 kgs.
And the top speed of this?
45 kmph, as again limited by the government, but once you remove the speed, it can run.
So, is it approved in Telangana? So far, passenger vehicles have not been approved.
Correct. So, first of all, these vehicles are approved by the Department of Heavy Industry and hence these are eligible for FAMES 2.0 subsidy. Now, when it comes to passenger vehicles, those are controlled by the government. But very recently, the government of Telangana released right, an ordinance where they are allowing up to 500 vehicles and our vehicles you will very soon see them running on Hyderabad roads.
Is it available not just in Hyderabad or other states as well?
Yeah, it is. Right now, we are basically operational in Hyderabad, Bangalore, Delhi, Nagpur, then Vijayawada, Vizag, and very soon we are starting in Chennai and Ahmedabad also.
What about the pricing of this?
This vehicle is priced at around 3.5 lakhs.
3.5 lakh?
Yes.
And what are the service you're going to offer? Is it going to be, are you providing roadside assistance like
Yes. So, all these vehicles come with 3 years, no questions asked, full warranty. That means anything happens to this vehicle, don't worry, we are there. And especially on the battery, the warranty is extended for 1 more year. Right? Okay. And when it comes to service, we have our mobile service teams available across the country. So anytime the service team just a call away, you just call them, and because majority of the diagnostics happen online, because all these vehicles come with something called vehicle tracking unit. This vehicle tracking unit tracks all the parameters of the vehicle, charging, acceleration, then current, potential difference, everything, and it can be rectified via online.
So if someone book this electric auto now, what is the delivery time?
So, for passenger, as I said, it depends upon many government and other regulations. But for cargo, the lead time is less than a week's time. If you are able to book the auto, for a cargo vehicle, you will have a delivery in less than a week's time.
Yeah, Mr. Rajesh, can you please explain about this loader electric auto now?
Yes, thank you very much, Krishna, for coming. I think this is again, I would call one of the India's best and first three-wheeler cargo, which is completely designed, developed locally, with driver come delivery person as the center of the universe, right? If you look at this vehicle comes with a 9.4 kilowatt hour battery that gives a range of 100 to 120 kilometers, but then the certified range is almost up to 148 kilometers. And then the top speed that it can go is up to 45 kmph, and then the load it can take is 550 kgs plus. These vehicles are right now operational in places like Amazon, Big Basket, Flipkart, Grofers, Udaan. If you are in Hyderabad, if you have ordered during the Big Billion Day, don't be surprised. Your delivery would have happened through these vehicles.
Okay.
Because across the country, more than 500 vehicles are running, doing the same thing what I've just told you.
Just a moment back, you mentioned that it is completely designed in India. But I came to see this design is familiar to some of the Chinese-made electric.
No. This is not a Chinese-made electric vehicle. This is completely designed and developed and built in India.
Okay.
Yes.
So, how many years you've done the R&D on this?
So we have been working on this particular product for almost 3 years, and then the vehicle was launched last year.
Okay. What is the FAME 2 scheme subsidy you got on this electric?
So we were eligible for the FAME 2 subsidy, and after the subsidy, the vehicle comes at around 3.7 lakh rupees for the customers to buy.
What is the battery capacity of this?
9.4 kilowatt hour, which is the highest in the industry, because if you look at the regular vehicles, they are at around 7 to 8 kilowatt hours, but then we are talking about 9.4 kilowatt hour battery.
So the 9.4 kilowatt hour battery pack is same as in the passenger auto
Yes,
as well?
it is the same product. It is same for cargo as well as for passenger also.
Okay. And my main concern for all electric vehicle users, even people who want to buy an electric three-wheeler or a loader, does it comes with resale value?
Okay. See, I think that's a good question, Krishna. Resale value, let us look at the life of a vehicle, right? The life of a vehicle generally is around 8 years, right? And even this vehicle also goes for about 8 years. And we are already giving the warranty for almost on the complete vehicle for 3 years, and on battery alone for 4 years, right? Since the electric vehicle market did not complete a full life cycle, so the resale value or a resale market is not yet established. We are also eagerly waiting, like you are waiting, to see how it is going to evolve. But then the point we are trying to make is, unlike a mechanical vehicle, unlike a combustion vehicle, where there are 2,000, 3,000 moving parts.
Let me add up one more question here
Yeah.
at this point. Even I asked some of the auto drivers, what they are asking is, I know people, it's still the market is in the initial level of stages, but if the companies take an initiative, for example, if in emergency cases, if they want to give the vehicle back, company can give some resale value in case, because if they're going to, in particular diesel or normal CNG autos, if the owner want to sell the vehicle, immediately they will get up to 50 to 60% of the vehicle cost.
Yes.
So company have any plans like that?
So this is a good idea which can be considered. At this point of time, most of the vehicles that are being run are, some of them are owned by the drivers and they are very happy. And if you are asking if the drivers are unable to do and then give it back, then this can be something which we can consider.
Okay. And finally, the price of this electric auto?
The vehicle after this FAME 2.0 subsidy, it costs around 3.66 lakhs.
Okay. You are providing finance option for it?
So we are working with some of the finance partners such as Mahindra Finance and all, and the discussions are almost there and we will very soon close. And once that is there, they will be available.
So that's the complete details about Ather Motors electric autos. The passenger auto cost you 3.5 lakh rupees, whereas the cargo auto cost you around 3.66 lakh rupees, and they are also in plans with providing one of the finance options as well. For genuine information about electric vehicles, please to subscribe to Electric Vehicle channel, and for faster updates, please to follow our Facebook page, website and Telegram group.
Go green, go electric, all the very best EV channel.